Hi guys, we're at the Hyatt Regency Los Angeles International Airport. It's late. This is finally the time my car worked and I got into the room. Let me show you what it looks like. It's a king bedroom, number 1040, with a city view. There's the do not disturb sign, letting them know it's occupied. You have your standard bottom lock. Some of these nails sometimes can be a pain. It shows you the map of the floor. Now, the one thing I loved when I finally got in the elevator, there's a PH button. But there's no rooms up there, just the fitness center. Some drawers for clothes. Extra blankets, ironing board, luggage rack, iron itself, the safe that has nothing in it, unfortunately. The shower, because I'm going to take one, I need it bad. Hair dryer, body lotion, sink, the nice vanity, some towels, hand soap, makeup mirror to do your makeup before you go out. The beds look clean, towels look clean. Is there another light? Okay, it's a little dark in here, but we'll make it work. Mini refrigerator, coffee maker. I think it has a spot if you want to put pods in, you can. Coffee cups. What's in here? Oh, there's the pods. There is your sugar and stuff if you want that. Here is ice bucket, some cups. I have a water bottle there. TV, probably 55-inch. Look at these. Your hookups for media. You've got plugs, USB, type A, not type C. You got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think these are to hook up to the TV. These are just for, oh, sorry. These are for the TV. These are general. Sorry, my camera wasn't on the right end. Here's a little mirror. Not full length, but certainly will do if you need it. You've got 2 nice chairs to sit in, relax and enjoy yourself. Love it. There is the couch, a little L-shaped couch. So that could definitely sleep an extra person. If you snuck a third in, it would sleep it. But don't get in trouble, folks. Nice king-size Hyatt grand bed, I believe that's what it is. Very nice bed. Seems comfortable. Haven't laid in it yet because I'm going to order something to eat, I think, before I go to bed. Then I have to get up for the free breakfast, too, in the morning. And eat that. Nice little chandelier there. Painting above. Painting above. Here's another lamp that I'm going to turn on for the hell of it. It's set to 65. Not appreciating it. It's freezing in here. And I am hot-blooded, okay? Honey, I'm hot-blooded, so when that's said, that's crazy. But you do have 2 more plugs and a USB-A port, I believe. Do these open? Do these open? No. You would think these open. They don't open. They are not opening drawers, but you do have your remote, an alarm clock, phone, another light switch for the chandelier. And let me show you the view. Sheesh. A view of the city and the airport tarmac. Love it. This is right in walking distance of Terminal 1, where you can pick up the Carnival shuttle. You're around the corner from an In-N-Out Burger. 2 CVS's, 3 Starbucks within 500 feet of each other. You gotta believe it. There's a Ralph's supermarket. But all in all, it seems like a nice property. They have a pool. I didn't check it out because it's too cold today. Otherwise, I would try to get a shot of that. But this is the room here at the Hyatt Regency Los Angeles International Airport. 1 king bed with a city view. Peace.